Ever felt like you're flying blind when tracking customer health? Manual spreadsheets, inconsistent metrics, and reactive firefighting waste hours while red flags slip through the cracks. The Building Customer Health Scorer skill changes the game with pre-built CRM integration templates for Salesforce and HubSpot, a behavioral tracking framework for product usage analytics, real-time dashboards in Tableau and Power BI, and a customizable scoring model builder using Python and SQL. Whether you're a product designer drowning in Figma files, a front-end dev juggling React components, or a UX engineer obsessed with analytics, this tool turns chaos into clarity. No more spreadsheets haunting your nightmares. Here's what's inside the Building Customer Health Scorer skill. It includes CRM data connectors for automated syncs with Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zendesk. You'll get a behavioral metric framework to track product usage, login frequency, and feature adoption. Real-time dashboards visualize scores with heat maps and trend lines, while the model builder lets you weight metrics like NPS, support tickets, or contract value. Proactive alerts via Slack or email notify teams when scores dip below thresholds. It comes with expert instructions, code templates for Python, SQL, and real-world examples from SaaS companies. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Transform guesswork into precision without reinventing the wheel. Installing the Building Customer Health Scorer skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Building Customer Health Scorer. That's it. This downloads the complete skill: expert level guidance, battle-tested Python scripts, and SQL query templates directly into your workflow. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically, and your AI assistant now understands CRM integrations, behavioral scoring logic, and dashboard customization. Warning: it might also start prioritizing customer health over your coffee breaks. Future-proof your designs and code with smarter insights, faster.